They are invisible giants, swallowing stars, bending time, and defying everything we know about physics. Welcome to the deepest mystery of our universe: black holes. A black hole is a point in space where gravity is so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape. They are born when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after a supernova explosion. There are different types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, and even miniature. At the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than our Sun. Inside a black hole is a region called the singularity, where space and time collapse into an infinite point. Einstein's theory of relativity breaks down here. Time stops. Physics as we know it ceases to exist. Some theories suggest black holes could be wormholes, gateways to other universes or dimensions. It sounds like science fiction, but the math isn't entirely against it. Black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries of our time. We may never know what truly lies beyond, but the quest to understand them continues.